I need to hire somebody. I need somebody who's got a good personality, who can multitask, who understands customer service, who is friendly to our patients. And I cannot find anybody in the dental industry that is available, ready to work, looking for a job that can fill that role for me. Well, I'm here to tell you, as Laura from Front Office Rocks, not as a hiring dental office manager, that the way to solve this problem is to hire somebody who doesn't have dental experience. We are limiting our pool of candidates by saying we have to have somebody with the right personality and that understands dental. We cannot train on personality, but we can train on dental. Here's the problem. I just wrote down a quick list of words that a non dental person would hear and be overwhelmed with the very first day. Words like MODB, occlusion, PPO, premier, prosthodontist, periodontal, buccal, gutta percha, waiting period, three surface, adjustments. These are just some of the words that we use on a regular basis in the dental office. These are not words that we can't learn. Every one of us started in dental and had to learn what these words were. But the issue is we don't teach the new employee the language they need to be successful in the dental office from the start. And that is what I'm doing at Front Office Rocks. We can teach them dental. We have an event coming up where we will teach them the dental words, not nerds, words and things they need to learn to be successful as an employee in your office. So please do not limit yourself to just looking for somebody with dental experience, especially in the front office. Find somebody amazing, go out and get the best rock star you can, and then let us teach them dental because we can teach dental. We've all learned it, and we can help your new employee learn it too.